Hello readers, welcome back. If you'd like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths in with the good, out with the bad. And where are you on the compass? Ignite your memory. Move those dendrites. When you have felt your thinking go up to a higher level. When have you felt your thinking go up to a higher level? Today I want to teach you that the strongest writing about reading lifts the level of your thinking about the story. One way is to write things that seem important in the beginning and at the end of your story. Chunk into pieces, the beginning and the end. To think deeply about characters, expect characters to be complicated and show more than one trait. At the beginning of the story, Squeaky says she watches her brother Raymond, which is enough. Page 10. The phrase, which is enough, shows she finds this work difficult and might be selfish. At the end of the race, she is jumping for joy because Raymond ran as fast as she did. Raymond did something well, and Squeaky is happy for him. Since the beginning of the story, Squeaky changed from thinking about herself to thinking about Raymond. She becomes selfless. Chew on it, review. Your choice book, or in Raymond's Run, or another story you know. What seems important at the beginning and at the end of the story. Sentencers. Today I am. Choose centered thinking, feeling, believing, or acting. In my choice book, at the beginning of the story, by the end of the story. If you can, keep writing for 2 or more sentences. You can add sentences from the story plus the page number or section. All of Raymond's Run by Bambara. Review this week. We start live Google Meets. Join code FAUST ELA. There's the E-L-A. We randomly pick group leaders, names in blue, who can show something they did or give an online learning tip or something else you choose to share. Set a timer on your iPad so you remember to come. Find your name, day, and time in the list below, Monday or Wednesday. 2 to 2:20, Anthony Young, Dylan DeWitt, and you can find your name. Just scroll through. 2 to 2:40 to 3, 3 to 3:18, 3:20 to 3:58. Tuesday, 9:50 to 10:05, 10:15 to 10:30, 10:35 to 10:50. Wednesday, 10:20 to 10:40, 10:45 to 11:05. If you cannot join live at your time, choose which date and time to join. Monday, 2:40 to 4, or Tuesday, 9:40 to 11, or Wednesday, 2:40 to 4. Rubric 4 points. 2 sentence stems that are highlighted in yellow appear in the comment box and are answered well. Student comes to a Google Meet. 3 points. 2 sentence stems appear and are answered. Student comes to a Google Meet. 2 points. 1 of the sentence stems appears and is answered. Student comes to a Google Meet. 1 point. Setting is a TV show or movie is given. Student does not come to a Google Meet. 0. No attempt has been made. Student does not come to a Google Meet. Optional writing. Add notes in your choice of style to your journal and show us in a Google Meet. Decide what kind of writing best suits your thinking. Annotations in the margins, post-it notes, creating a table, sketch diagram in your notebook, writing fast, furious, long. Optional to read. Common Core goal. Literacy W 7.5. With some guidance and support from peers and adults, develop and strengthen writing is needed by planning, revising, editing, rewriting, or trying a new approach, focusing on how well purpose and audience have been addressed. See you this week. Dr. Stocker and Ms. Rollins. Same sentence stems. In case it helps you, here are the sentence stems again. Today I am. Choose centered thinking, feeling, believing, or acting in my choice book at the beginning of the story, by the end of the story. If you can, keep writing for 2 or more sentences. You're going to add sentences from the story plus the page number or section. This is my example. Today I am acting. My choice book at the beginning of the story, Kenny makes fun of his brother. By the end of the story, he is happy they're all alive. My favorite part of the story was the description of how the family survived the cold and make each other laugh and making sure everyone had a lot of layers on. Kenny is really nice to his little sister. There's horrible danger at the end, and I don't want to give it away. It's a great novel. The Watsons Go to Birmingham, 1963.